So I chose the word urgency. The author, Kevin Eastman, uses the phrase, the importance of now, to describe urgency. In my personal life, I'm a gardener. And one of my favorite things to say is the best time to plant a tree is yesterday. The end goal could be to have a fruit orchard. That's what I'm working on right now in my personal life. And it takes years to get to that end goal of producing fruit in my garden. But I have to plant that tree now in order to accomplish that. So the sense of urgency is there, and that goal that I have for my gardening venture is to get there, right? So I've got to do this now. So the sense of urgency is what I feel with that goal. Here at work, urgency is how we gain separation from the competition. And I really like that. We have that cutting edge. We have that moment where we separate ourselves from the rest of the pack because we got one step ahead, one minute faster. We improved our timelines just a smidge. And that's what sets us apart. And so I really love this word. My challenge to you is to prioritize what you're passionate about and give a sense of urgency to what you're doing in your day-to-day life. If you find yourself thinking, I'll work on this tomorrow or next week, how would doing it today and now set you apart in your goals? Would it get you that much closer? And that's the way I see it, is that urgency is you taking action on those goals.
My word is habits. Habits come down to a decision or choice, followed by a daily repetition of what's needed. We all have the ultimate say in the habits we form. The key is to find these habits and do our best to replicate them. With that being said, I'd like to challenge everyone to evaluate your habits. Ask yourself, are the choices I'm making today helping me achieve my goals? Are these choices helping me grow my team? Are these choices helping me build a stronger foundation for the company? If you said yes, then you are creating positive habits.
So curiosity is my word because it is the starting place for real progress and innovation, which are required in order to be a champion and win the game, so to speak. Curiosity humbles us. It opens our eyes to a whole wide world of possibilities and what could be. It reveals to us how I could be better, how our products could be better, how our processes could be better. It shows us a better way. It starts the process of learning. And curiosity is genuine. It goes beyond the surface level and pulls back the curtain or pops the hood to really understand. And I would even say it requires courage because it's a process of discovery and knowledge and understanding. And once you know, you know. Curiosity oftentimes requires intentionality because it goes beyond the comfort zones of daily routines. It requires thinking time and dreaming time and reading time and learning time. But if you want to be a champion in your own right, whatever that means for you, it's worth it because every great advancement and innovation, personally, professionally, and everything in between starts with curiosity and learning. And just that is my challenge to you all. Get intentional with your curiosity. I challenge you to mark your calendar and adjust your routines to ensure that you're investing time weekly in thinking and dreaming and reading and learning. And don't just think and dream big. Wonder about what's possible and what could be. And then, in cooperation with the other 24 words that define champions, buckle up for the ride of a lifetime.
My word is action. And let's be honest, I think this book in its entirety is a call to action. To read it, to live it. Many of the words need action to be put into play. I chose that word because I think success takes failure. When you look back on something and you're successful, you're going to see what looks like a pile of hard work, failures, and determination. I challenge you to find your why you don't want to quit, why you want to be successful, and don't ever stop trying.
In this rapidly changing world, prosperity is on everyone's minds. We all desire a future filled with success, growth, and abundance. But how can we ensure that prosperity becomes a reality for each and every one of us? The answer, I believe, lies in standards. Standards are the guiding principles that set the benchmark for excellence. They provide a common framework that drives innovation, quality, and efficiency. When we embrace and uphold standards, we unlock a world of opportunities and pave the way for prosperity. Now, I challenge each and every one of you to take action. Embrace a standard of excellence in your own endeavors. Uphold them in your work, your personal life, and your community. Advocate for their adoption and implementation. By actively engaging with a standard of excellence, you become a catalyst for change, opening yourself up to new possibilities and contributing to the growth and success of our company and community abroad.
The word I chose was intentional because I make an intentional effort to learn some of the other aspects of the job that we're doing down at the tank building. And I challenged my teammates and team members to maybe step outside their comfort zone a little bit and learn some of the new technology that we have down there.
My word is investment. I chose investment because success has a price, and that price is the investment you put in towards the goal that you seek. Warren Buffett once said, "Investing in yourself is the best thing that you can do. Nobody can take that away from you, and nobody can tax it." I challenge you to invest in yourself and your personal growth and development over the next 30 days by setting specific goals, creating an actionable plan, and engaging in daily self-reflection to enhance your well-being.
I went with discipline, to do something despite how you feel, and to focus on a goal and try to achieve regarding circumstances. I challenge you to set a goal that you've been pushing to the side.
One of my favorite words from the book, Why the Best Are the Best, is trust. Trust is what all relationships, personal, professional, they're all built on trust. The book opens the word trust with the following statement. It's at the core of what we do and who we are. It allows you to navigate through the most challenging times of the year. The book also states the following. Trust needs 3 things. It needs time, consistency, and proof. As a wife, as a mother, as a friend, as a leader, as a mentor, all of my relationships have to have the foundation of trust and having the faith of those that I love, mentor, and lead to trust in my abilities as a wife, as a mother, as a friend, as a leader, to trust that I will do the things that I need to do. Likewise, I have to reciprocate that trust in my team, my friends, those that I love. Even in the most challenging of times, I am looking for trust to guide me through. I challenge you to look at your team, your peers, your friends, your family, and ask yourself if they can trust you. If you question yourself whatsoever, you need to stop and ask yourself what you can do to change that and earn their trust.
So those are all words from Kevin Eastman's book, Why the Best Are the Best, which features 25 words that impact, inspire, and define champions. Our purpose at Diamond C is to fuel the growth and success of our team members, customers, and community abroad, which only happens through successful winning teams, otherwise known as champions. So this book was an easy choice for us for our spring 2023 book club at Diamond C. And we were so inspired by much of the content that we wanted to share some of our favorite words with you all, because just as Eastman states in the book, the rising tide lifts all boats. So now, as we say at Diamond C, let's go and do work, love strong, and be the difference.